If you're a woman buying a home after divorce in Omaha, a step that is easily rushed is starting to tour homes before you're truly ready. In this video, you'll see what you need to have in place before you go to a showing so that you don't waste time, feel overwhelmed, or make a decision you later regret. Looking at homes can feel like progress, but if the right foundation isn't in place first, it can easily turn into confusion, second guessing, and pressure. But the good news is preparation changes all of that. It allows you to walk into a home and evaluate it with clarity instead of emotion. Number one, know your true price range. Before touring, your price range should already feel clear. Not just what you're approved for, but what actually feels safe, calculated, based on your life. Without that clarity, every home becomes a question versus a decision. Number two, be financially prepared. Believe it or not, touring homes without financial preparedness can lead to frustration. Frustration, frustration, frustration. You should already understand down payment expectations, closing costs, and what funds you will need to have available. This, darling, allows you to move from looking to ready. Number three, be emotionally grounded. Believe me, I know from experience, after divorce, emotions can quietly influence every decision. Listen, walking into homes before you're ready can create attachment before clarity. For example, pressure to decide quickly and even comparison that leads to confusion. Being completely grounded helps you evaluate versus react. Number four, know what actually matters to you. Before you even start touring, you need to define what you truly need, what truly supports your lifestyle now, and what matters for the next season of your life. Otherwise, darling, it is so easy to get distracted by staging, features, and appearance instead of focusing on what fits. Number five, have the right guidance already in place. Walking into homes without clear guidance can lead to missed details, emotional decisions, and unnecessary pressure. What is the right support? The right support allows you to slow down, ask the right questions, and evaluate wisely. If you're a woman rebuilding life after divorce here in Omaha, this content exists to help you move forward with clarity and wise decisions. If we have not met before, I am Lynetta Anderson, your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate here in the Omaha area, here to help you navigate through the home buying decision process with clarity and steady guidance. Remember, preparation brings peace, and that, darling, matters more, much more than rushing. As I'm speaking with you, I'm reminded of 1 Corinthians 14:33, that God is not the author of confusion, but of peace. Because, darling, when you prepare before moving forward, you create that peace in your decisions. Watch the full video, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha, step-by-step guide for women starting over so you can see how this fits in the full home buying process. And be sure to continue in this series so you can move forward with clarity, confidence, and peace. Before you begin touring homes, the next step is understanding the full process so nothing is missed along the way. Watch the next video, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha, step-by-step guide for women starting over, and continue in this series as you make wise decisions for your next season.